Ocean Power Technologies has secured a contract for a fully integrated WAM-V unmanned surface vehicle from a new international government customer for near-term delivery. The order will increase the value of the company's previously announced expansion into certain regions and working with end customers and resellers. CEO and president of OPT, Philippe Stratman, said the contract was testament to demand for the company's systems in the market, adding that recent efforts in Latin America and the Middle East have driven interest in its offerings. For example, not too long ago, OPT signed a reseller agreement with Electron SAS, enabling the former to expand its commercial reach across Latin America. Under the agreement, Electron will offer sales, integration, and support services for OPT's suite of intelligent maritime technologies, including WAM-V unmanned surface vehicles, next-generation Powerbuoy, and Meros platform. This partnership is expected to significantly expand OPT's presence in the region while leveraging Electron's strong local network and relationships. OPT also recently signed a reseller agreement with Grava Hydrographic Solutions to expand the availability and sales of OPT's unmanned surface vehicles, USVs, specifically their Wave Adaptive Modular Vessels, WAMV, throughout the United States. This partnership aligns with OPT's strategy to scale access to its marine robotics portfolio through trusted channel partners for maritime data collection, survey operations, and coastal monitoring applications. Then, in regards to more macro factors, OPT reaffirmed that it remains fully operational amid ongoing global supply chain challenges due to its majority domestic supply chain and resilient workforce. The company confirmed that its current inventory levels and procurement practices remain unaffected by recent developments impacting international logistics and raw material availability. OPT says its US-based workforce enables the company to maintain agility and responsiveness while continuing to fulfill customer commitments on schedule. For more on OPT and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.